This video is for educational and informational purposes only. All trademarks belong to their respective owners. Are you tired of wasting hours trying to find the perfect video editing app that actually delivers quality without making your head spin? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm revealing the top 4 best apps for video editing in 2025. Whether you're a beginner, content creator, or just want to make your videos pop on social media, these apps are game changers. And stick around, because at the end, I'll share a powerful bonus tip that can take your editing skills to the next level, even if you've never edited before. Let's dive right into the best of the best for 2025. App number 1, CapCut Pro. CapCut has been a favorite for a while, but the 2025 Pro version? It's on another level. With AI-powered auto captions, cinematic filters, and seamless social media integration, it makes editing fast and fun. Whether you're crafting short reels or full YouTube videos, CapCut Pro gives you professional-level tools right from your phone or tablet. App number 2, Adobe Premiere Rush. You've probably heard of Premiere Pro, but Premiere Rush is its fast, mobile-friendly sibling. In 2025, Adobe upgraded it with cloud syncing and new motion graphics templates, so you can start editing on your phone and finish on your laptop without losing a second of progress. This is perfect for creators on the go who still want that polished, high-end look. App number 3, VN Video Editor. Don't sleep on VN Video Editor. It's completely free and insanely powerful. You get multi-layer timelines, keyframe animations, and no watermark, even in the free version. Plus, with its 2025 update, VN introduced smart auto edits and royalty-free music libraries. If you're just starting out or need fast results, this is a must-try. App 4, LumaFusion. LumaFusion is hands down one of the best apps for video editing in 2025 if you're serious about storytelling. Used by mobile journalists and filmmakers alike, it offers pro features like color grading, advanced audio editing, and multicam support. It's a one-time purchase, so you skip the subscriptions, but still enjoy updates and premium quality. Bonus tip. And here's that bonus I promised. No matter which app you choose, pair it with a simple online tool like Remove.bg or Canva Pro for stunning thumbnails and graphic overlays. This combo will instantly boost your video's click-through rate and overall look. Trust me, your audience will notice the difference. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these apps are you most excited to try in 2025? Or do you have a hidden gem I should check out? Drop it in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy editing!